Let's analyze the top funding options available for Amazon sellers, comparing key factors like costs, terms, and accessibility. Viably emerges as a comprehensive solution with a unique approach. It offers term loans with upfront fees starting at just 5% flat fee. What sets it apart is its repayment structure, which aligns with Amazon's payout schedule. There's no inventory collateral requirement, no hidden fees, and most importantly, you get human-to-human customer service. Amazon Capital provides term loans with a 12% APR fixed rate. While they advertise pay interest on money you don't need, their system uses an AI algorithm for collateral assessment. Repayment occurs over 6 to 12 months, and once paid, the loan is gone. Their customer service is notably impersonal. You're essentially emailing a black box and hoping for the best. 8Fig offers term loans starting at 14.99% APR plus fees. While they don't require inventory collateral, there's a catch. You lose access to capital with each payment. They provide a salesperson for customer support, but the additional fees can add up. Sellers Funding presents term loans starting at 17.99%. They implement a blanket lien and require mandatory bi-weekly payments. There's a 1% loan fee and a 1% prepayment penalty. Like 8Fig, they assign a salesperson for customer relations. Capital One Spark offers a line of credit, but it often falls short of business needs. With an average 24.49% APR floating rate and no inventory collateral requirement, it requires payback of the entire balance. There's a $150 annual fee, and customers. When choosing the right funding option, consider these crucial factors. Payment flexibility. Viably and Amazon Capital offer the most flexible terms, while others have strict payment schedules. Cost structure. Compare the true cost of capital, from Viably's 5% flat fee to Capital One's 24.49% APR. Collateral requirements. Most options don't require inventory collateral, except Sellers Funding with its blanket lien. Customer support. Only Viably offers dedicated human support, while others range from salespeople to automated systems. Access to future capital. Consider how each option affects your ability to secure additional funding as your business grows. For sustainable business growth, the ideal funding solution should align with your Amazon payment cycles, offer transparent pricing, and provide flexibility during seasonal fluctuations. Viably stands out for growing businesses with its straightforward pricing and seller-aligned repayment structure. Amazon Capital works well for established sellers who can navigate their rigid system. 8Fig and Sellers Funding suit those needing larger amounts despite higher costs. Capital One Spark should be a last resort given its high rates and inflexible terms. Here's the full comparison of the different alternatives. Comparison of business loan options for Amazon sellers. Type of loan, Viably. Uses a term loan with upfront fees. Amazon Capital. It's a term loan and you pay interest only on used funds. 8Fig. Uses a term loan with upfront fees. Sellers Funding. Offers a term loan. Capital One. Spark. Provides a line of credit, which is a revolving line but limited to business needs. Cost of capital, Viably. Starts at 5% with a flat fee. Amazon Capital has an average of 12% APR with a fixed rate. 8Fig starts at 14.99% APR plus additional fees. Sellers Funding starts at 17.99% APR plus additional fees. Capital One Spark has an average of 24.49% APR with a floating rate. Inventory as collateral, Viably. Does not require inventory as collateral. Amazon Capital. Uncertain, as it depends on an AI algorithm. 8Fig. Does not require inventory as collateral. Sellers Funding requires a blanket lien on inventory. Capital One. Spark does not require inventory as collateral. Payback structure. Viably follows an amortized repayment schedule that aligns with Amazon payout cycles. Amazon Capital uses an amortized structure, repaid over 6 to 12 months, and once the loan is paid, it's gone. 8Fig uses an amortized structure, but you lose access to capital with each payment. Sellers Funding uses an amortized structure with mandatory bi-weekly payments. Capital One. Spark requires full repayment of the entire balance. Fees. Viably does not charge fees. Amazon Capital does not charge fees. 8fig has fees. Sellers. Funding charges a 1%. Viably offers Spark. Remember, the best funding choice depends on your specific business needs, growth stage, and financial health. Consider your immediate capital needs, repayment capability, and long-term growth strategy when selecting a funding partner. Choose a funding partner that not only provides capital, but understands the unique challenges of Amazon selling. The right financial support can be the difference between steady growth and missed opportunities in the competitive e-commerce landscape.